Which of the following plant hormones is responsible for seed dormancy? Correct answer is option C, abscisic acid. Which vitamin is synthesized in the human body with the help of sunlight? Correct answer is option B, vitamin D. The hormone responsible for milk production in females after childbirth is. Correct answer is option B, prolactin hormone. Which of the following is the correct sequence of evolution of life on Earth? Correct answer is option A. In humans, the number of chromosomes present in a somatic cell is. Correct answer is option B, 46 chromosomes. The largest gland in the human body is. Correct answer is option B, liver. Which part of the brain is responsible for maintaining balance and coordination? Correct answer is option B, cerebellum. Which process in plants is affected first by water scarcity? Correct answer is option C, photosynthesis. Which of the following disease is caused by a protozoan? Correct answer is option A, malaria. Which blood group is called the universal recipient? Correct answer is option C, blood group AB. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in humans? Correct answer is option B, appendix. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? Correct answer is option D, skin is not a connective tissue. Which part of the eye is responsible for maintaining its shape? Correct answer is option C, vitreous humor. The human heart is. Correct answer is option C, myogenic and four-chambered. Which organ is known as the graveyard of red blood cells? Correct answer is option D, spleen. Who discovered the blood groups? Correct answer is option B. Which enzyme is secreted in the stomach to digest proteins? Correct answer is option B, pepsin. Which plant tissue helps in the transport of water? Correct answer is option D, xylem. In which part of the body does protein digestion begin? Correct answer is option B, stomach. The powerhouse of the cell is. Correct answer is option B, mitochondria. The smallest bone in the human body is. Correct answer is option C, steps. What is the full form of RNA? Correct answer is option B, ribonucleic acid. The blood cells responsible for clotting are. Correct answer is option C, platelets. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Correct answer is option A, vitamin A. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Correct answer is option C, cancer. Which gas is essential for cellular respiration? Correct answer is option B, oxygen. The basic unit of heredity is. Correct answer is option C, gene. What is the function of hemoglobin? Correct answer is option D, carry oxygen. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Correct answer is option B, pancreas. Which organism can reproduce both sexually and asexually? Correct answer is option D, fungi. Which pigment is responsible for photosynthesis? Correct answer is option C, chlorophyll. Which disease is also known as Hansen disease? Correct answer is option C, leprosy. What is the normal pH of human blood? Correct answer is option C, 7.4. Which among the following is a biodegradable pollutant? Correct answer is option D. Which is the longest cell in the human body? Correct answer is option C, nerve cell. What is the main function of white blood cells? Correct answer is option C, provide immunity. Which organ is affected by jaundice? Correct answer is option C. In human beings, digestion of carbohydrates begins in. Correct answer is option B, mouth. Which part of the cell is known as the control center? Correct answer is option C, nucleus. The longest bone in the human body is. Correct answer is option C, femur is the longest bone in the human body. Which part of the brain controls voluntary movements? Correct answer is option B, cerebrum. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Which type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Correct answer is option B, arteries. What is the term for programmed cell death? Correct answer is option B, apoptosis. The enzyme responsible for breaking down starch is. Correct answer is option C, amylase. Which blood component fights infections? Correct answer is option B, white blood cells. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Correct answer is option B, tendons. The outermost layer of the skin is called. Correct answer is option B, epidermis. What is the genetic material in most viruses? Correct answer is option B, DNA or RNA. Which organ produces bile? Correct answer is option B, liver.